Google TV Freeplay integrates 7 latest channels. Google is currently on a roll with Google TV and recently introduced a significant upgrade, which is no exception. The platform is already known for its elegant interface and colossal content library, which has just received the latest batch of free channels. A report suggested that Google TV has integrated 7 latest channels to the Freeplay service, bringing a total of 157. Here are the recent additions: the Bob Ross channel, Comedy Dynamics, Dog Whisperer with Cesar Millan, Days in Ringside, Days in Women's Football, Dove Channel, and The Hill TV. That's not all. As the Freeplay app has received another upgrade, Alphabet-owned Google has brought a modernized user interface that simplifies browsing content. It's got new screens to select channels and sort the guide by genre, plus handy new categories, including favorites, recents, and popular. The recent update is a part of a larger trend, similar to last month when Google integrated 14 latest fast channels such as Billiard TV and Buzzer. The company has diversified its browsing functionalities to add results from the Roku channel and Amazon Prime Video. Google TV is seriously regarding expanding its free content library. Users usually utilize different platforms, including Freevee and Pluto TV, that are offering reminiscent services, which must keep users within the streaming industry despite a surge in price from other dominating companies, including Netflix and Disney+. But Google is becoming a strong contender in streaming high-quality content along with the competitors.